Crypto Pirates Daily News, July 24, 2021. Latest news headlines. Simply HODL. Bitcoin and Ethereum outperform risk-averse cryptocurrency index funds. Nigeria's anti-crypto central bank is preparing to launch the digital Naira. Crypto credit cards could be the missing link in the broad acceptance of cryptocurrencies. What traders can do with their Ethereum holdings to maximize profits. How can I use cryptocurrency to pay while traveling? Simply HODL. Bitcoin and Ethereum outperform risk-averse cryptocurrency index funds. According to Delphi Digital Data, holding BTC and ETH was more profitable than investing in crypto and DeFi index funds with weighted average market caps. Index and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, have grown in popularity over the last 2 decades as they provide investors with a passive way to obtain exposure to a basket of equities rather than investing in individual securities, which increases risk of loss. Since 2018, this trend has expanded to the cryptocurrency sector, with products such as the Bitwise 10 Large Cap Crypto Index, BITX, tracking the total return of Bitcoin, Ether, Cardano, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Solana, Chainlink, Polygon, Stellar, and Uniswap. The ability to invest in multiple top projects via a single weighted average market cap index may sound like a great way to diversify risk and gain exposure to a broader range of assets, but do these products offer investors a better rate of return and protection against volatility when compared to the top-ranking cryptocurrencies? HODLing versus cryptocurrency baskets. Delphi Digital examined the Bitwise 10's performance in greater detail and compared it to Bitcoin's performance following the December 2018 market bottom. The data indicate that investing in BTC was a more profitable approach than investing in BITX, despite the fact that BITX was slightly less volatile. According to the research, indices are not intended to outperform individual assets, rather, they are intended to be less risky portfolios than holding an individual asset, therefore it's unsurprising to see BTC outperform BIT on a cost basis. The index did give investors less downside risk during the market sell-off in May, but the difference was minimal, as BTC's maximum fall was 53%, while Bitwise's was 50%. In general, the benefits of investing in an index over Bitcoin are marginal, as the volatility nature of the cryptocurrency market and frequent big drawdowns frequently have a greater impact on altcoins. According to Delphi Digital, crypto indexes are still in their infancy. Selecting assets, allocations, and rebalancing criteria is a challenging undertaking for an emerging asset class such as cryptocurrency. However, as the sector matures, we anticipate the emergence and adoption of more efficient indices. Additionally, Ethereum outperforms DeFi baskets. In 2021, decentralized finance, DeFi, has been one of the trendiest crypto industries, spearheaded by decentralized exchanges like as Uniswap and SushiSwap, as well as lending platforms such as Aave and Compound. The DeFi Pulse Index, DPI, intends to capitalize on this explosive growth by allocating DPI tokens to 14 of the most popular DeFi tokens, including UNI, Sushi, Aave, Comp, Maker, Synthetic, and Yearn.finance. When DPI's performance is compared to that of Ether since the index's creation, Ether significantly outperforms in terms of profitability and volatility, as indicated by a 57% drop on Ether versus a 65% drawdown on DPI. While this is an imperfect comparison since the risk and volatility of DeFi tokens are higher than those of Ether, it demonstrates that the traditional benefits of indexes are not replicated by crypto-based baskets. According to Delphi Digital, you could have simply HODLed ETH for a more favorable risk-reward profile. For the time being, Bitcoin and Ether have shown to be two of the safer cryptocurrency investments accessible when compared to crypto index funds that invest in a broader range of assets. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents. Nigeria's anti-crypto central bank is preparing to launch the digital Naira. The Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, intends to begin a trial program for digital Naira later this year, as part of its Central Bank Digital Currency Program, CBDC. Nigeria's central bank to launch digital Naira. Throughout much of 2021, the Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, has been in the news for its anti-cryptocurrency activities. Despite this, the institution has boosted its investment and research into the underlying technology of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and has established a firm date for the launch of its blockchain-powered central bank digital currency pilot project, CBDC. According to the People's Gazette, the CBN disclosed the information during a Thursday webinar for stakeholders, July 22, 2021. The Central Bank of Nigeria indicated that it would not be excluded from the global CBDC initiatives now underway. The giant digital currency initiative will utilize the Hyperledger Fabric blockchain, an enterprise-grade blockchain platform. Meanwhile, the central bank noted that the CBDC plan will enable international commerce while also allowing for macroeconomic management and growth. Additionally, the proposed digital Naira would aid in remittances and monetary policy, as well as financial inclusion and tax collection. Rakia Mohammed, the bank's Information Technology Director, revealed that the CBN has been researching and developing the digital currency since 2017. The Central Bank of Nigeria's initiative comes as countries worldwide display interest in digital assets and currencies. Along with the CBN, the Bank of Ghana has been working feverishly this summer to reach the pilot stage for its own central bank digital currency. The country has positioned itself as the continent's leader in the development of CBDCs, thinking that central bank-issued digital currencies are preferable to and safer than decentralized cryptocurrencies. The United Arab Emirates, UAE, is also considering the establishment of a CBDC. Vietnam, Israel, South Korea, Jamaica, New Zealand, Japan, France, and Singapore are more countries. Meanwhile, China, digital yuan, the Bahamas, sand dollar, and the Eastern Caribbean, cash, are among the few countries to have created an official national digital currency. Nigeria prohibited cryptocurrency earlier this year. The Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, banned cryptocurrency transactions in the country earlier this year, warning that they could result in investment losses, money laundering, terrorism financing, illicit financial movements, and other criminal activity. The bank stated the following in a news release intended to explain the restrictions. Cryptocurrencies have developed a reputation for being well suited for a variety of criminal activities, including money laundering, terrorism financing, small arms and light weapon purchases, and tax evasion. Indeed, Many institutions and investors who place a premium on reputation have shied away from cryptocurrencies due to the negative consequences of their widespread usage for unlawful activities. Is the introduction of the digital Naira a policy reversal for the central bank? We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents. Crypto credit cards could be the missing link in the broad acceptance of cryptocurrencies. HODLing is enjoyable, but ultimately, everyone wants to buy something. This is why crypto debit and credit cards are critical to mainstream adoption. Among the many paths available to mass adoption of cryptocurrencies, which include decentralized finance, DeFi, Layer 1 protocols, non-fungible tokens, and stablecoins, perhaps the simplest and most applicable path for the general public is the ability to use cryptocurrency for everyday purchases with an integrated debit or credit card. 2021 has seen an increase in the number of organizations offering cryptocurrency-based credit cards that let holders to spend the value of their cryptocurrencies for daily transactions, but is this just the latest gimmick employed by corporations to make a profit or a true sign of broad adoption? While the traditional financial sector is not explored extensively because the focus is on studying the many subsectors of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, crypto assets are swiftly becoming a new investment class recognized by the global financial system. Debit cards allow you to access your cryptocurrency assets. It's critical to understand the distinctions between the card services provided by some of the industry's biggest firms, including as Crypto.com, BlockFi, and Coinbase. Debit cards, like as the one provided by Crypto.com, enable customers to convert their cryptocurrency holdings to a stablecoin, which can then be transacted over Visa's global network. Uphold's Coinbase card and Crypto debit card offer a similar service, with both offering rewards for use in the form of a percentage of each purchase, paid back in Bitcoin, BTC, or another cryptocurrency, depending on the platform. The ability to make purchases with your holdings may help provide a strong use case to the cryptocurrency ecosystem, but it also goes against the HODL nature of many investors who subscribe to Gresham's law, which states that bad money drives out good money in circulation. When it comes to deciding which money is spent and which is kept, good money, or cryptocurrencies in this example, will be saved, while fiat currency will be spent in daily transactions. Crypto credit enables hodlers to continue accumulating. Credit cards, such as the recently announced BlockFi Rewards Visa Signature credit card, do not require an initial conversion of a user's crypto assets to pay for transactions. Instead, it provides a credit limit with an associated interest rate. The Gemini exchange intends to launch a BTC Payback Rewards card on the MasterCard network. This is another example that has taken the approach of the historical credit system by offering rewards and collecting interest on carrying balances. Users can spend fiat currency and get cashback benefits in the form of Bitcoin. Paying in dollars while stacking stats aligns more with the idea of spending bad money in daily transactions while earning more crypto, although it does require users to have fiat currencies to spend. If someone solely owns cryptocurrency, they will be required to convert portion of their holdings to the recognized form of repayment and may incur a taxable event, depending on the regulations in their jurisdiction. Currently, the majority of the world's population either uses the traditional financial system or is part of the enormous number of unbanked people who are outside of all systems. The use of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies either adds another step to the process or provides a new entry into a financial network. For die-hard cryptocurrency lovers who want to keep as much of their wealth in cryptocurrency as possible, debit card choices that allow users to spend their holdings may be the best option. Because many crypto investors work in occupations that still pay in fiat currencies, credit card choices allow them to use their earnings to make purchases while still continuing to accumulate without having to perform the conversion to cryptocurrency themselves. Legacy networks will eventually incorporate blockchain technology. Visa and MasterCard have completely welcomed the integration of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology into their networks. Visa recently stated that holders of crypto-enabled cards spent more than $1 billion in the first half of 2021. It is likely that in the near future, the entire network will be blockchain-based, and consumers will be dealing with digital currency on a regular basis without even realizing it. Nobody knows how this will all play out in the long run, but the current trend of corporations issuing cryptocurrency-related debit and credit cards shows no indications of slowing down. They are a tried and true marketing approach utilized in companies large and small to recruit new consumers. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents. What traders can do with their Ethereum holdings to maximize profits. Ethereum, like Bitcoin, had a really eventful week. At press time, the market's largest altcoin was slightly above $2,000 in value. Indeed, both its daily and weekly earnings were finally positive. While the former increased by 4.4% on the charts, the latter increased by 7.73%. However, in the past, price breakouts of this nature have proven to be false alarms in the Ethereum market. So, will Ethereum's rally continue this time around, or will its price continue to fall a few days later? Let us now examine the on-chain metrics for the asset. Is there an increase in the number of whales? At the moment, it appears as though the major players are stockpiling Ethereum. Whales that have between 10,000 and 1 million ETH in their wallets now collectively own 60.52 million coins. Indeed, this is the highest level of holdings in weeks for this category. Based on the most recent dataset, these market participants have amassed a stunning 1.65 million coins during the last 6 days. Finally, these large purchases arguably paid off handsomely, as evidenced by the alt's weekly return on investment. However, the aforementioned trend must continue in order for ETH's price to climb the ladder. What are the activities of the market's other participants? In contrast to the whales, the majority of other market players have recently sold their shares. Similarly, the supply on exchanges demonstrated the same. This indicator increased, indicating that market participants are selling ETH. Normally, a hallmark of significant hodling attitude is the movement of coins from exchanges to private wallets and cold storage, but in the case of Ethereum, the reverse has been occurring since July 19th. At this point, it is clear that traders are motivated by short-term gains, and ETH's present valuation serves as an open invitation to those seeking to cash in. How about the differential in prices? Before delving into what this indicator indicates, it's worth noting that the number of Ethereum network active addresses has been on the decline for the majority of this month. Indeed, at press time, the 480K level was nothing near the 790K level reached in May. Now, the price daily active addresses divergence model tracks the relationship between the price of a cryptocurrency and the number of daily addresses interacting with it. The model generates a sell signal whenever the price rises and the number of active addresses decreases. As illustrated in the attached chart, Ethereum's price divergence has been in the negative territory for several weeks now. Indeed, our model flashed a bearish signal even during the market increase from 27 June to the 8th of July. Given the current status of the decline in the number of addresses and the inflows into exchanges, the current sell signal can be relied on to a degree. By examining the lackluster indicators of recovery, it is fairly apparent that Ethereum is not yet out of the woods. For the price to continue its climb, the altcoin's buyer momentum would have to accelerate. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents. How can I use cryptocurrency to pay while traveling? Traveling implies experiencing positive feelings, discovering new vistas, cultures, and ways of thinking, and, who knows, but most likely, uncovering something unexplored within you. People discover new hobbies and interests when traveling, which may turn out to be the reason for their existence in the future. Going back in time, it's difficult to say how much transportation has changed. Specifically, how we get to other areas, the mode of transportation we use, and how we pay. Nowadays, people are increasingly relying on internet payments rather than cash. Virtual currencies play an important role. Recently, digital currencies have shown to be an excellent technique of making purchases. This is the point we want to emphasize in here. How can I pay with cryptocurrency while traveling? Booking ticket sites. Given that flying remains the most popular mode of transportation, some businesses have started to take bitcoins. Since the popularity of cryptocurrencies, numerous booking sites have accepted payments in BTC. Let's look at a few of them. Cheap Air. The platform was founded in 1989. Cheap Air has been accepting Bitcoin since 2013. In fact, they were the first to provide such a service. The service has also accepted Bitcoin for hotel reservations since 2014. Surf Air. Surf Air is a pioneer in the monthly subscription plan that allows unlimited flights across California and Las Vegas, 12 overall destinations. They also provide flights between London and Zurich. Via their website, Surf Air intends to launch 8 more routes for Europe in 2018. Surf Air subscriptions are now available for payment in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Air Baltic. The platform was the first to accept Bitcoin payments through its website for more than 60 destinations in the CIS, Europe, the Middle East, and Russia. Tickets are priced in euros on the website's price list. Customers' bitcoins are converted to euros based on the current exchange rate throughout the payment process for Air Baltic flights. BitPay, a third-party payment processor, assists Air Baltic in converting bitcoins to euros so that travelers can utilize them. The cheapest tickets on Air Baltic's basic class are available for bitcoin payments. Road trips. If you like to go by foot in the United States, Cohen Fuel is a fantastic firm that offers customized gift cards if you want to pay with digital money. How can you put them to use? The gift cards allow you to fill up your automobile with gas at well-known gas stations such as Shell, 76, and others. Expedia.com. In 2014, the service opted to accept cryptocurrency. Expedia.com got the price set for 10 minutes during booking, despite the fact that the Bitcoin exchange rate swings rapidly. Later, the platform collaborated with Coinbase to facilitate payments. Payments in virtual money accepted by merchants. You can't help but visit various shops and cafes no matter what style of vacation you pick. Which of them is willing to accept virtual currency payments? Starbucks. One of the most well-known cafe chains in the United States and Europe. The Bitcoin community was first disappointed when a premature story indicated Starbucks would begin taking Bitcoin purchases directly in stores in 2019. Meanwhile, Starbucks clarified a few of the errors in the reporting. First and foremost, they will not take Bitcoin as a payment option directly. Rather, the company would collaborate with Bakkt, a planned futures exchange, and accept Bitcoin payments only when Bakkt starts in mid-2020. Hopefully, the app has been released, and you may now pay with cryptocurrency for any drinks or snacks you wish to eat at Starbucks. Although it is not directly accepted by Starbucks, customers can use the Bakkt app to convert cryptocurrencies to sponsored loyalty, rewards points, and frequent flyer miles, convert them to dollars, and load that value onto the Starbucks card. Whole Foods. Whole Foods has teamed with Spedden, the Winklevoss twins spending app. You can buy everything you need with Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Gemini dollars with the Spedden app. Spedden, on the other hand, isn't exclusively for whole meals. Regal Cinemas, Baskin-Robbins, and Jamba Juice are just a few of the businesses that take Bitcoin right now. Burger King. Since 2019, the massive fast food corporation has accepted Bitcoin, Dash, Litecoin, Binance Coin, Ethereum, and Tether as payment methods. The company began taking these currency in 40 locations in collaboration with Crypto Buyer, a crypto gateway based in Panama. The cooperation is also led by Dashed Core Group. It's not the first time Burger King has expressed an interest in cryptocurrency. Burger King Germany now accepts Bitcoin purchases on its website, and certain outlets in the Netherlands have done so since 2016. In addition, Waves created Whopper Coin, a bespoke cryptocurrency for Burger King Russia, in 2017. Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut, a massive pizza restaurant, will be accessible in Venezuela for Bitcoin beginning in November 2020. Previously, economic sanctions put on the country resulted in an increase in Bitcoin acceptability. Customers' Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies are not directly collected by Pizza Hut. Payments are processed through Crypto Buyer. Crypto Buyer processes all cryptocurrency payments for Pizza Hut. You may use Crypto Buyer to purchase items from over 20,000 different online merchants. There includes Bitcoin, Dash, DAI, Litecoin, Binance Coin, Binance Dollar, Tether, and Ethereum on this list. To summarize, overall, we examined how our journeys have evolved since the advent of virtual currency. Furthermore, we have highlighted the most popular services that may be useful while traveling in our article. We've also discussed how some retailers and cafes accept cryptocurrency payments and listed the coins they accept. It appears that there are a plethora of businesses willing to accept virtual currency in exchange for their services. Booking platforms, businesses, and restaurants are among them. We hope you enjoyed watching and listening to this video. Please let us know your opinion in the comments area below. If you found our content useful, please like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more crypto-related contents.